So glad to see you again. This is your movement medicine channel. Have you ever wondered how the belly dancer move their chest in different directions? Today we are going to master the chest movement, basic movement such as circle, box, and many more. Reminder, belly dancer is about isolation. So if I'm going to work on my chest, please don't move your shoulder like this. It's not your shoulder, it's your chest, like this. Isolation. Let's start with up and down, chest up and down. But I wanted to recommend you to put just for exercise and feel it and control your shoulder. So put your hands and feel if you are moving too much your shoulder or if you are in a good progressing move. So put your hands over your shoulder and try to do your chest up and down, up and down, up and down. So if you can see, my shoulders probably going to move a little bit because everything is connected, our body is all connection, but the idea is you isolate and put all your energy in this area, only your chest. So let's try with me, up and down, up and down, up and down. So you are not relying, you are not doing this move with your shoulder, only with your chest. Let's try it again, up and down, up and down, up and down. As you are conscious about the move is come from your chest only, we can do it in a second position or basic position, and we're trying to do it fluidly with more flow and natural. So up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Next move, we are going to try to do it the same thing but diagonal. So my chest is going to the right, left, right, left. Again, put your hands over your shoulder and try to do it just for conscious. Right, right, and left. Just from your chest. Let's do it in a second position. Let's do it with me. Right, left, left. Diagonal, 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 diagonal. Of course, as I mentioned before, your shoulder probably are going to move a little bit, but try to control it. This is the exercise. Your mind is working, doing different connections. This is neuroplasticity, and this gives you the sense that you are having control on your body, and your mind and your brain is growing. So it's such a beautiful exercise, isn't it? Going to connect all the previous dots such as up and down and diagonal. So we are going to do the chest circle. So what is that? So we are going to do diagonal, up, diagonal and down, diagonal up, diagonal and down, diagonal up, diagonal and down. So do it with more flow, naturally. So circles to your left. Remember, shoulder, try to put it in the same position. I'm going to do it to the right. Circles, start with the left, up, right and down. Full circle, full circle, full circle, full circle, full circle. With more flow to the left and to the right. Keep your shoulder in your posture, in your same position. You're going to move, yes, a little bit, but try to do the exercise. Isolation, slight move with your chest. So we are going to do it the same thing for conscious. Put your hands over your shoulder and going to just slide your chest to your right and to your left. So do it with me. Slide to your right, slide to your left, start, slide to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left, to your left. And I'm feeling my shoulder probably is moving a little bit because it's connected. But are not doing this. You see the difference? It's not this. Not this, only feel and concentrate all the energy on your chest. Second position. Let's do it with me. Slide to your right and to your left and to your right and to your left and to your right and to your left and to your right and to your left. Great job. You're doing amazing. Okay, this move is called or named just box or square. So we are going to do slide, up, slide and down, slide, up, slide and down. If you can see, this is a little stop in each point. So slide, stop, up, stop, slide, stop and down, stop. So if you can see, we are going to do the square or the box. If you like this video and the previous video, please leave your comment. Subscribe yet, do it right now, give your thumbs up and let me know what is the next move you like to learn, or if you have any question about this video, please let me know. I'm so happy to answer all your questions, or if you want me to do anything special for you, of course. This is your channel, remember, My 40 Movement Medicine. To do first, slide, up, slide and down. Keep your hips, your up and your shoulder. Try to do it and keep it in the same position. Don't move it entirely with your shoulder because this is not the exercise. The exercise, it's about isolation. Let's do it with me. First, slide to your right. Slide. If you can see my shoulder trying to stay in the same position. Up, just your shoulder, slide your chest and down, only your chest. Don't collapse when you're doing the down, because if you're doing this, you are working with your shoulder. And this is not idea. Let's try it again with me. Slide, your shoulder stay. Up, your shoulder stay. Slide, your shoulder stay in the same position. And down, just your chest. Slide, up, slide, down, slide. And to the left, slide, up, slide, down, slide, up, slide, down. Just your chest. Nice job, you're doing excellent. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about the chest movements, basic movements, and try to practice day by day, just a few minutes a day, and you can master these moves. Subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.
ابونا شايل القهوة ويقول لي تعالى، امك من بعيد تدي الضحك اللي ده الرداء، قاعد احلف لهم اني على ايدك قد بحال، وانت تسرحي شعرك وتقولي كلمة تطير لي البال.